Debt collectors, they really don't care anymore. CFPB has got their kneecaps chopped out from under them, and the debt collectors are emboldened. You know, the 7 and 7 rule, it was established by the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It limits debt collectors from repeatedly calling you over and over and over again. Under the rule, debt collectors can only call you 7 times over a 7-day period. And once they get in contact with you and they speak with you, they have to start in the whole process over again, but they have to wait 7 days. So if they call you, you answer the phone, hey, there's nothing I could do about it, they can't call you for another 7 days. So I've had the question where they were like, Steve, well, what if I owe 2 debts? Well, then they could do it for each of those debts. That's something that you do need to be aware of. Now, a lot of confusion has came about because we have where they can email you, they can call you, they can text you, they can direct message you, they can send letters in the mail. If they did all of that, can they do it 7 times each? Or they can only do it 7 times, period. Anything with communications, direct message, calling you on the phone, or texting you, all of that will count for the 7 and 7. Utilizing the mail, that's like a notification. That's under a different category. But when they notify you by mail, they cannot disclose your information by saying something like final notice or debt collector notice, something like that. They just have to send you a simple and plain letter in the mail. You open it up, it's a debt collection letter. So if you're being harassed by debt collectors and you can record or you have records using your phone or your screenshots on your computer, you got to have the dates also included. But if they've violated the 7 and 7 rule, you could be paid money for the violation, or they could just, forgive the debt and everybody just goes their own separate ways. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video What Makes Us Different so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. If you have debt collectors coming after you or you have debt collectors who are suing you in court, go to summonsmaster.com. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments.